guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start off, I just want to go ahead and give you guys a big thank you for all the messages, the DMs on Facebook, Snapchat, calling me, just to make sure how my daughter is doing. And a lot of you guys wanted me to keep you guys updated on her condition, so I will go ahead and do that, like from time to time, and let you guys know how she's doing and how we're coping with it. But I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys a big thank you. I really appreciate it. We all really appreciate it. I didn't think I was gonna get like a big response as how I did, so we're really thankful because of that. So thank you guys very, very much. So for today's glam, it's gonna be this look. I am using the James Charles palette. Look how pretty. Let me show you guys real quick. Look how pretty. I had already done a review video for you guys. I had done the whole complete video, and for some reason, I told you guys on my last video, my camera's been like messing up. It's been acting up, and it didn't save like 2 of the videos. So I was like, you know what, whatever, like I'm just gonna go ahead and try this video. This one so far has been working. Hopefully it catches everything. I think by far this is my favorite palette at the moment, until like something else comes out that's better than this, but I don't know. This palette is really, really nice. It has all the shades you need, like for the people that are more into the neutral side, or the people that are more into the colorful side. So pretty much I'm on this side, but today I decided to be on this side, stay on this side for this glam. On my last video I did mention to you guys that I was going to be announcing what I am going to be doing for my giveaways, and I wasn't sure if I was going to do 1 or 2 giveaways, but now I decided I am going to go ahead and do 2 giveaways. So I'm so excited. The first giveaway, it's one of my biggest giveaways I've ever done. I'm so excited. It's going to be this right here. I know guys, I'm like so excited. Whoever wins it, like, I'm gonna be so lucky because I haven't even purchased it. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase it to give away. I've heard really good stuff about like all these products. And then my second giveaway is gonna be this palette. Like I said, it's like a really nice palette. It's one of my favorites. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and do a second giveaway so somebody could have the chance to win this palette as well. So I am gonna be announcing it on my Instagram, so if you aren't following me yet, make sure to go follow me. That way you guys can see the giveaway rules. So excited guys. This is like one of the biggest giveaways I've ever done so far. So yeah, so if you guys want to know how to achieve this Thanksgiving look with the James Charles palette, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, you guys can see I already went in and did this side, and excuse my little pimples. I don't know why I'm breaking out. I guess just because I'm already eating like my mom's tamales and all this extra food. Just because I know, que ya vienen los holidays, Thanksgiving's coming out, Christmas, and I'm just like pretty much eating whatever I want. And I know it shouldn't be like that, but pretty sure that's why I'm breaking out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the first color that I took from the palette. The first one was this one. And that one is in this shade, 10% off. I'm just going in first, just tapping. And I am going in with the brush R30 from Morphe. I really like this brush to go in really into detailed inside my crease. Okay, so once you have that really well packed, you do want to go ahead and start blending in little circular motions and then wiper motions, and start bringing it up kind of like where your brow bone is at. And I'm not adding any more product to my brush. I'm just using whatever is left on the brush. Okay, and then the second color I will be taking is going to be this shade, and then this one's called No Beans. It's a little bit darker than the one that we just took. You just want to apply this all in your inner crease and then just blend it out a little bit. And then the last shade I will be taking is going to be this one. And that one's in the shade Love That. And then you just want to go ahead and pack it all onto your lid and then just blend it upwards. I really love these color combinations. It pretty much sums up all the Thanksgiving looks. This is, I don't know, this pretty much reminds me like as a cranberry, you know, like something like a side dish with cranberry. This one reminds me, you know, like something like with turkey or like gravy. And on top it reminds me of like, what's that potato called? Sweet potato. Oh my god. No. Oh, and I am going in with the PK524 brush from Morphe as well. Okay, and then I am going to draw my eyeliner with the NYX glitter glue. And then I will be applying some glitter on top of that. The glitter I use for this look is this one. And this one I did purchase it at H-E-B. It's my local it's my local food store, and this one's from J-Cat company. And the mascara I'm using for my eyelashes is this one from It Cosmetics. And for my inner corner, I will be applying some gold flakes, and the gold flakes I did find them at Walmart as well. If you guys don't have any, or if you guys have been looking for some, you guys can go and just Google it and put gold flakes. The lashes I am using today are these. Well, they're not on here, but this is the name. I Am Worthy. They are from It's a Babe Lashes. And this is how they look on Instagram if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. And this is how they look. Look how pretty they are. They look super natural, but at the same time they're a little fluffy. I'm going to go ahead and link down their Instagram link below in the description box if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. Leave them a follow. They're really, really good. Okay, so now I applied a little bit of the primer from Dr. Branded, and it's in the luminizer one. The foundation that I'm using is this one from Wet n Wild, and this one's in the shade Cream Beige. I'm going in with my white 7 Morphe foundation brush. For my concealers, I'm going in with the Glamoflauge from Hard Candy in the shade Medium. And then I am mixing it with the Milani Retouch Erase Concealer. And this one's in the shade 05 Honey. So where I wanted to open up my eyes a little bit more is right here in the front, not back here. So that's the reason I go in back here and apply the darker shade. Okay, and now I'm blending it with this Morphe sponge that I hear is really good, and I've tried it already once, and so far I've liked it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up with the Pure Cosmetics in the shade Mineral Glow. You guys know this is my favorite at the moment. This a little bit. The baking I'll probably bake for maybe like a minute at the most. For my highlight, I am going to go ahead and take this eyeshadow, and this one's in the shade Face. Oh, it's really, really pretty. For my under eye, I'm going to go ahead and take this really pretty color again. And then a little bit of mascara. Okay, so now for my all-time favorite liquid lipstick, this one from Kat Von D Cosmetics, and this one's in the shade Bow and Arrow. I am going to go ahead and pair it with this LA Colors Clear Lip Gloss. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I kept trying to tell myself, you know, keep it natural, because I kept getting all these ideas, you know, like to add more glitter at the top, or like add a little bit of a darker shade at the bottom so I could make my eyes pop out a little bit more. But I was like, no, keep it natural, because I know a lot of you guys, you know, like ahorita, more like for Thanksgiving or like fall season and all that stuff, or like all these holidays, you guys like a more natural, neutral look. So, you know, like I said, this wasn't hard at all, and it's like, you know, it's still kind of like a glamish look, but at the same time, it's like a natural look. So it's in between. But alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. And don't forget to head on to my Instagram account and follow me, and then that way you guys can see, you know, like the rules for my giveaway and stuff. And I am gonna link down my Instagram link on the description box, that way you guys can go ahead and click on it and, you know, go and follow me and all that good stuff. But I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.